Today I am reviewing the LandAirSea Overdrive GPS tracker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let me start by explaining what makes the Overdrive model different from standard trackers on the market, including LandAirSea's own smaller models like the 54. The standout feature here is the massive 4,240 mAh extended life battery. One of the biggest hassles with portable GPS trackers is having to constantly retrieve the device to recharge it, which completely defeats the purpose of covert tracking. The Overdrive solves this problem beautifully. Because the battery is so large, it lasts 3 to 4 times longer than standard tracking units. Even better, it features an intelligent motion-activated system. This means that when your vehicle or equipment is sitting completely still for an extended period, the GPS tracker goes to sleep to preserve battery life, waking up instantly the very second it detects any movement. When it comes to durability, this thing is built like an absolute tank. It is manufactured right here in the United States using high-quality domestic and imported parts, and it carries an official IP67 waterproof rating. This means you can confidently mount it underneath a trailer, on the frame of a truck, or on heavy construction equipment exposed to torrential rain, mud, snow, and extreme road grime without worrying about the internal components failing. It also features an incredibly strong built-in magnet, allowing you to slap it onto any flat metal surface in a matter of seconds. It grips so tightly that it will not budge, even when driving over rough terrain or bumpy construction sites. For those who want permanent, continuous power without ever worrying about recharging, they do offer an optional hardwire kit, but for my testing, the magnetic portable setup was incredibly convenient and worked right out of the box within minutes. Now, let us talk about performance and the actual tracking software, because a tracker is only as good as its data. The Overdrive features extremely powerful internal antennas for both cellular data and global satellite systems, designed specifically to hold a strong connection even in non-ideal conditions, such as underneath a vehicle chassis. It provides accurate global location tracking and works seamlessly in over 155 countries. To view the tracking information, you use their web-based software or their dedicated SilverCloud mobile application, which integrates directly with Google Maps. The real-time updates are incredibly fast, refreshing as often as every 3 seconds, depending on your plan. This allows you to watch the vehicle move smoothly down the street in real time, rather than getting choppy updates every few minutes like cheaper alternatives. The software also keeps a historical playback log for up to 1 full year, which is a massive benefit for business managers who need to verify past routes, proof of delivery, or equipment usage. Within the application, you can easily set up custom geofences, which are digital boundaries on a map. If your vehicle or equipment crosses outside of that specific zone, the system sends an instant text notification or email alert straight to your phone, allowing you to react immediately to potential theft. You can also customize your operational modes, use dark mode for night viewing, or use their Share Spot feature to safely share the live location with clients, employees, or law enforcement if necessary. It is important to note that, like all legitimate, high-performance real-time GPS trackers, this device does require a paid subscription to access the cellular networks. However, LandAirSea offers highly flexible and affordable options with absolutely no contracts, meaning you can cancel anytime without a hassle. If you choose a monthly plan, prices start at $19.95, but if you choose to prepay for a 2-year plan, that monthly cost drops down as low as $9.95, which is an incredible value for the level of security it provides. They also offer excellent United States-based customer and technical support in both English and Spanish if you ever run into setup issues. To top it all off, the company backs this premium device with an unconditional lifetime warranty that covers any manufacturing defects encountered during normal use. After using the LandAirSea Overdrive, I can confidently say that the peace of mind it provides is worth every single dollar. Whether you're a business owner protecting a fleet of trucks or a boat owner wanting to secure your investment, this commercial GPS tracker is an exceptional tool that simply works when you need it most.